I'm going to Bao Loc. Hopefully the bus is waiting for me. Just getting out right now from school. Yeah, hopefully everything's good. Let's go.
Thầy khen anh là thầy giáo đẹp trai, tài xế đẹp trai đấy.
Coolest driver ever.
Quá đẹp trai chứ, đẹp trai gì.
O'clock. Still in the bus. At the rest stop now. I got all kinds of stuff. Phoenix white rum imported. Bang bang. Classic min class. Hanoi vodka, vodka Hanoi. The rest stop. Typical. Along the road, stop here. This one's called Darwin Rest Stop. It's 12:30. I say we're about halfway, a third of the way there. So we're in the mountains. There's a room for 25 bucks. And a nice little view of the lake in downtown Bao Loc. Cool. They had two hotels. They had the Sandals Vista, which is like right across the street. Like I could see it out the window. That's it. Man, that one was a very nice 5-star, a little more expensive. This one's 2-star for like $20 a night. And it's cool. It's clean, fresh. Loving it. Yeah. Looking clean. All right. And I'm sorry, but I judge hotels on the power of their bum gun, and look at this. That shit got some recoil, boy. Woo! A little fake Eiffel Tower. The Vinaphone Tower. Bao Loc. There's the Sandals. Bing. About to go to Vincom. Got a big diamond ring here. There's a little downtown lake action. Kind of remind me of Dalat. We're not far from Dalat. Little rocket. Rain. Vincom. Vincom, nice. Jolly B, baby. Hey. Hey. When in Vietnam, you gotta eat at Jollibee's. speaking here tonight. Miss Lee Cambridge. Very nice. Wow. It's day 2, or my first full day here in Bao Loc. We're gonna go to the waterfall today, but first we're gonna eat breakfast. Best hotel in the city. I don't know, this thing feels kind of French to me. Could that be the French influence? Ginger. Checking out, waiting for them to check my room. I'm gonna leave my bag here, then I'm gonna go to the waterfall and then maybe go home tonight. I don't know, we'll see. I think maybe I will. This is a great hotel, man. Sandals, okay, 2-star hotel. The 5 stars across the street, I say it's a 2-star because cheaper and I don't need all the amenities. Just a 1-night stay. So hopefully we get to the waterfall and it doesn't rain. That's the main thing. So that's the hope. It's that Eiffel Tower on the lake. So we're still waiting. We're gonna go to the waterfall. Right next door, this shop. It's a cool little hip hop shop. They got all the Jordans, grade A replicas for 20, 30 bucks. All the colorways, all the styles. I didn't buy any, they don't have size 10. You gotta have small feet to shop here. But this is downtown Bao Loc. I hope I'm saying it right. Got a little coffee shop over here, overlooking the water. Very peaceful, quiet. Not a lot of traffic noise. There's the fishermen here, they're just fishing. This guy still, he got an inner tube. He just goes out in the inner tube with a net. Pretty cool. This OG right here. Drivers yesterday, going through the mountains. Wow, that's beautiful, man. Look at that green lush valley right there. not gonna do. Oh, there's some people. Oh, okay.
Đông mà. Đông nha. Oh, there's a restaurant.
Supermarket and a restaurant, yeah. Oh, cool. Alpine coaster. Yes, we're gonna do that. Do they have bears in Vietnam? Probably used to. In the zoo, yeah. A wombat?
Bull slash kangaroo. Natives.
Nice. Hi guys. 안녕하세요. Ooh, a tiger. Tiger eating a pig right here. Look at that. Oh, cool. Oh, bye. I think we're on the top of the waterfall. Look at that thing. That's a legit drop off right there. Sweet.
What? In the middle.
It's real safe. Ah, it's sturdy. It's good wires.
Okay, stop. Stop.
Whoa! This thing shakes. You know, if you fall in here, you're going straight over the edge of that waterfall. Just stop shaking the bridge. That's not cool, girl. Not cool. Ooh, that's a nice little waterfall there. All right. Going to the elevator. In the world? Top 14 of the world, huh?
Top 14 in the world. Most beautiful.
Yes, more beautiful.
Damn, that's... Holy crap! That's legit right there. That little bridge we're just on. Alright, they got a little Buddha cave here. That's a legit bad boy right there. Woo-wee. On the waterfall elevator.
Swimming?
I might swim. If it's safe. If it's safe. I brought a towel and swim shorts.
Cái khu vực tắm suối mình ở đâu vậy? À dạ, bữa nay nó tắm suối là nó ở bên cái camping thưa chị ạ. Bên đấy cái camping mấy được tắm. Dạ đúng rồi chị, cái đó là dịch vụ riêng, mình đi sang camping.
This elevator is like right next to the waterfall. Like literally, we're getting sprayed.
This is so close.
Yeah. This is wild, man.
We're like right beside it.
Wow.
We should have put the elevator in the waterfall.
Right?
Yeah.
Damn. That is super close. Holy crap. The field is great. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah.
Like the closest I've ever been to the water.
That's cool. I'm like getting wet. I'm wet right now. That's crazy. Okay. Hey, look at that. It is wet down here. Like, look at that gift shop. It's just sprayed up. Holy moly, dude. Woo. Insane. Nice. There's an elevator. Got soap.
1,000 if you want him to take a picture.
Really?
I don't know if you want to go. We are. We're going to do it.
Oh, you guys go ahead. Wild. Oh, that's crazy. I want to go down there. #14th best waterfall in the world, Craig. It's cold down here. Like we're in the splash zone of this ride. Holy crap, it's huge. Beautiful little nature area right over there. That river goes to the waterfall. Sorry for the bathroom shot, but we got a great sense of humor here. It is bathrooms are great. Oh, the ladies' side has all these hunky dudes on it. Hilarious. Here goes the Alpine coaster. These are our vessels. The longest in Vietnam, or the whole Asia, right? #1. Okay, let me get ready. Bye guys. See you at the bottom. Okay. Strapped in. So this stop. Okay. Dung. Okay. Dung. Go. Stop. Okay. Cool. 25 meter. Okay. I might. The seatbelt good, right?
Oh.
Good. Okay. Okay. All right. Here we go. I'm piloting. See? All right. Yeah, fun. Oh shit. Oh, it's fast. Damn. Oh, sideways. Okay, I forgot. Okay, forward is go. Stop, go. Okay, let's do it. Fastest, longest in Asia, as they say. Hit the brake, hit the brake. Woo! Oh, you really, oh, you tilt on this thing. Ah, damn. You really tilt.
Quý khách đợi gần về phía trước cho xe chạy, chú ý giữ khoảng cách an toàn. Quý khách đợi gần về phía trước cho xe chạy, chú ý giữ khoảng cách an toàn. Quý khách đợi gần về phía trước cho xe chạy, chú ý giữ khoảng cách an toàn.
This is nuts down here. I'm going full speed. Ah! Shit! Ah!
Chú ý phía trước, rất nguy hiểm. Quý khách giảm tốc độ, giữ khoảng cách an toàn.
Had to hit the brakes on that one. I'm tilting like almost to the side. Holy shit, this is crazy. It says brake here. I'm braking. Oh, maybe not that much. Damn, this is nuts. This is crazy. Okay. Woo! Ah! Oh shit! Woo! Donald Duck. Quillen. Hey! You're like really tilted on this. Oh! Whoa! Brake.
Chú ý phía trước, đường vô khuất tầm nhìn. Quý khách giảm tốc độ, giữ khoảng cách an toàn.
Right.
Chú ý phía trước, đường vô khuất tầm nhìn.
This shit is nuts, bro. Woo! 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 I'm freaking falling over. Come on, man. This is not safe. We got a mosquito. I'm stuck. Come on. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't know how safe this thing is. Holy shit. Ah, this thing's hella fast. Oh shit. Oh.
Đoạn đường dốc và trơn, quý khách chú ý quan sát, giữ khoảng cách. Tuyệt đối không an toàn.
This thing is not cool. I don't like it anymore, but I can't really, not like I could stop. I don't know how much I like this anymore. This is dangerous as hell. This does not look safe to me. Oh shit, I'm sideways. Ah!
Chuẩn bị vào nhà ga, quý khách kéo thắng giảm tốc độ. Chú khoảng cách an toàn.
Only 50 meters to the
Chuẩn
end.
bị vào điểm.
Oh shit! Hey, hey, hey. There's a waterfall. Oh shit!
Photo, rồi, photo.
Doing the work. Ah, this is not safe, but I'm good. Okay, seatbelt off. Oh, that was intense. That was a little much. Bao Loc. They let you get right up close to these things. Cool. Look at that. Going back up over the rushing river, covered in waterfall juice. Okay. Woo. Okay, let's do it. Seatbelt? No, I want. Can I? No seatbelt. Not allowed to wear a seatbelt. Go! Holy moly! I said seatbelt. He said no. Alright, fine. Yeah, fun. Good times. Rain's coming down. Straight up in the jungle out here. Little rain coming down. Beautiful. Bamboo.
Quý khách áo khẩu trang chuẩn bị chụp hình tự động nha.
I don't know what you're saying.
Quý khách áo khẩu trang chuẩn bị chụp hình tự động nha.
Quý khách giảm tốc độ, giữ khoảng cách an toàn.
Quý khách áo khẩu trang chuẩn bị chụp hình tự
Lưu
động.
ý phía trước đường cua dốc nguy hiểm. Quý khách giảm tốc
Another
độ,
Donald
giữ khoảng
Duck
cách an toàn.
station. It's raining.
Lưu ý phía trước đường.
I didn't pose good.
Lưu ý phía trước đường cua
Oh,
dốc
this
nguy
is
hiểm.
cool, man.
Quý khách giảm tốc độ, giữ khoảng cách an toàn. Lưu ý phía trước đường cua dốc nguy hiểm. Quý khách giảm tốc độ, giữ khoảng
A little
cách an
light rain coming down. Hope the power doesn't go out.
Trái chụp hình tự động nha. Nhìn qua bên trái chụp hình, cười lên.
Whew, going back up is much more peaceful to the nerves. Butterflies flying around. Very nice here. This must be the bungalows where you could camp. Glamping. This must be the glamping area. That's cool, man. Not crowded at all for a Saturday. Yeah, this is great. No lines. Woo. We're back. Yeah. All right. Thank you. times.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah. The food probably not that great here.
Yeah.
It's more expensive.
True. All right, we're back.
Yeah. Countryside. That's common fashion. Fashion style. Alright. I should wear my shorts and no shirt. Your massages hard or soft?
Hard.
Hard? How about you? Hard massage or soft?
Yeah, no flower petals.
Okay. Maybe there's oils in here.
Yeah. Okay. We're getting a fragrant bath now. I don't know if this is gonna go on the video, but might incriminate me later. Who knows?
There's a man beside you that you don't know.
Who is this guy right here?
I'm looking at him.